I want to make sure that it's perfectly clear that the square braces of I, which is being circled right now, is critical whenever we're dealing with accessing, either replacing or adding a value to an array. Whenever we have those square braces, the array name and the square braces, it really is both, the equal sign is going to be able to pull or place a value at that particular spot. Whatever value I is, fine, it can be variable as we've seen in for loops before. It is going to be directly able to assign. This one happens to be assigned. Or if we did a cout array of I, that's going to be able to pull the information out. But the important part is both the combination of the square braces and the name of the array. If you just have I by itself, normally it means it's some type of counter, or it is an index number that's yet to be put around square braces so then we can pull from a specific location. So that's a big difference between the array of I and the I, the variable that we have. So in this little exercise, I'm going to ask you state whether each accesses or updates a value in an array. This first one is cout, so I am displaying something. I am displaying, specifically, I'm accessing an item from the array, and I am sending it back out to the screen. But I'm not really updating anything. I'm just accessing. Here, using the square braces, because I have the equal sign, that's the key, I am reassigning it, or I'm updating it with the value of 23. This one, notice it's double equals, not the same as single equals. I am doing a comparison. I am looking for a specific item. I am accessing a specific item within the array and checking to see if equals 345. For number 4, there's the equal sign. The equal sign is kind of the dead giveaway here. That's how you know whatever the current value of I is, it's also going to set that location of I, score of the same number, to that value. So that's going to be in an update. The last two, go figure, not equal signs, but you are most definitely doing an update, because what you're going to be doing is you're going to be gathering information from the user and then placing it into specific index numbers in an array named scores. Now this one happens to be specifically the index 10. This one happens to be a variable. Hopefully it's within the range of the array scores, but that's going to access and, the other way. It's going to update the value because I'm pulling in from CN and dropping it into scores of I. So that is your big difference between your square braces and your, well, non-square braces of I. Keep a lookout for them.